Playing with turkey basters can really help with strengthening your child's hand. It's best if you ask them to squeeze like this with the fingers pointing downward. That really helps with finger strength. So what you can do is have them put the baster in the water, in a container of water, and squeeze out. You have to be careful about this because it's a tough skill to get. Open it up and fill with water, and then squirt it into another container. Now you can do this so that you completely empty one glass into another. A really fun thing to do also is to go around the house with a turkey baster and water and water your plants, so they're not just standing the whole time. The last thing that's fun to do if this gets kind of boring is to use some food coloring to color the water. Be careful that you don't mess your house up. But sometimes just making the water colorful makes it more fun. Hope you have fun with this.